Hello students, how are you? Everything good? I'm teacher Anuja from the VIV Private School. Today we are going to learn on topic carboxylic acids and esters. This topic is for grade 11. You will find this topic on page number 305 from Cambridge International IAS and A-level. Let us proceed with this topic. The objectives which we are going to see in this topic are introduction of carboxylic acid, preparation of carboxylic acid, reactions of carboxylic acid and applications of ester. Let us proceed with this topic. Introduction of carboxylic acid. So before I start introducing carboxylic acid, look at this structure. See student, we studied this structure in aldehyde and ketone also. Okay, now see, this structure is called as carboxylic acid, which belongs to class of organic compound in which carbon atom is bonded to an oxygen atom by double bond and to hydroxyl group, that is OH, by single bond. Okay, and the fourth bond is linked with alkyl group. Okay, so got it? What is carboxylic acid? The carboxyl COOH group is named as carboxyl group, that is C double bond O, and hydroxyl group, that is OH. So COOH mix it as carboxylic group. C double OH. Now got it? How to write carboxylic acid? That is COOH. Let us see the reaction of carbonyl group, which are drastically changed by the presence of the electronegative oxygen atom. Now see student, this structure is carbonyl group, where this is carbonyl group, that is C double bond O, which is attached to two different alkyl group. Okay, when this one alkyl group is replaced by OH, then it becomes carboxylic. Now see, COOH and one is with alkyl group. So this becomes carboxylic group, and when H is replaced with again this alkyl group, then it becomes ester. Got it? And ester is also prepared when carboxylic acid is react with alcohol, that is COOH plus OH, that gives RCOOR, that is ester. Now got it? The reaction of carbonyl group, they are drastically changed by the presence of electronegativity of oxygen atoms. Let us proceed next. Let's see preparation of carboxylic acid. Now see student, carboxylic acid is made by alcohols, aldehydes and nitrides. Okay, first we will see how carboxylic acid is made through alcohols. Now see, they have used primary alcohol, that is OH, hydroxyl group is attached to carbon which is bearing with one single carbon. So it becomes primary alcohol. When treated with oxygen, it gives carboxylic acid. You can see here COH and double bond O, that is COOH. So primary alcohol, when treated with oxygen, it gives carboxylic acid. Got it? Now let's see how it is prepared by aldehydes. Now here again they have taken primary alcohol. When they treat with oxygen, there is first step, that is formation of aldehyde, that is RCHO. There is no presence of one more oxygen. So when they treat with more oxygen, then there is formation of carboxylic acid. You can see RCOOH. Got it? How it is prepared? With the help of aldehyde. First, primary alcohol is treated with oxygen, then they give aldehyde, and when the aldehyde is treated with oxygen, it gives carboxylic acid. Got it? Let us see how it is prepared with nitriles. So, you can see this alkyl group attached with carbon and nitrogen. This is nitriles. So, when there is hydrolyzed with acid or base catalysis to a carboxylic acid and ammonia. Okay, so when they are treated with the catalysis of this H3O and NaOH with acid or base, then they give carboxylic acid and there is the out of ammonia, that is NH3. You can see there is formation of COOH, that is carboxylic acid, and NH3, that is ammonia. Let us see next reaction. Let us see the reaction with metals and with sodium hydroxide. So, look at this reaction, student. So, CH3CO2H plus Na. This is ethanoic acid. When ethanoic acid is reacted with sodium metal, it liberates hydrogen gas. Okay. Now you can see there is formation of this compound CH3CO2Na, that is ethanoic metal, okay, and which liberate hydrogen gas. Got it? How is the reaction of carboxylic acid with metal sodium? They also react with other reactive metals such as calcium and magnesium. So this was the reaction with metal. Let us see with sodium hydroxide. So like phenols, carboxylic acid also form salts with alkalis. What is alkalis? That is sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. So when carboxylic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, they give water. Okay, so there is a formation of salts. They are often much more soluble in water than carboxylic acid from which they are arrived. So got it? When carboxylic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, they give water and salts which are more soluble in water than carboxylic acid. Let us proceed next. Now let us see how is the reduction of carboxylic acid to alcohol. So this carboxylic acid is reduced by alcohol when it is reacting with lithium tetrahydroaluminate. So what is lithium tetraaluminate? That is LiAlH4 in dry ether. Now look at this reaction, student. So the reaction requires the powerful reducing agent, that is LiAlH4, that is lithium tetrahydroaluminate. Okay, so neither NaBH4 nor H2 plus Ni are strong enough to reduce carboxylic acid. Okay, so they use lithium tetrahydroaluminated in dry ether, which reduces carboxylic acid to alcohol. You can see this is carboxylic acid COOH, which is attached with propan. Okay, so it becomes propanic acid. When treated with LiAlH4, it is reduced to propanol. You can see this chain is attached to OH. So this propanonic acid is reduced to propanol. Similarly, this reducing agent also reduces ester to alcohol and amides. So these were the reduction of carboxylic acid to alcohol. We saw the preparation, reaction, reduction. Now let us see the uses of ester. Now you know student how ester is formed. So ester is formed when carboxylic acid is reacted with hydroxyl. It gives you ester. Okay. Now let's see what are uses or applications of ester. Now see, the alkaline hydrolysis of ester has important application in the manufacture of soap. You know soap? So in that there is manufacture of soap. Ester with small molecular masses are used as solvents for paints and to remove caffeine from coffee and tea which are infected. Okay, now see student, whenever we have coffee and tea, why people say you should have it when it is hot? Because when it starts getting cold, there is formation of caffeine, that is the chemical formation on the surface of tea and coffee. You can see in this image, this is the fresh tea. It starts getting lighter. Why? Because there is formation of caffeine. That is the chemicals start developing on its surface. Okay, now you can see these perfumes. Okay, so there are many natural perfumes and flavors and aromas are esters which give flavor to many drinks and sweets. It is ethyl ester formed from alcohol in wines for aroma, that is smell. So in wine also ester is used. You can see these images. These are the perfumes and some flavors, then biofuels and then nail paints. So in all this esters are used. So got it? What are the uses and application of esters? They are also used for manufacture of soap. Got it? So this was the end of the chapter. Thank you.